The Army National Guard, 1st and 150th Assault Helicopter Battalion, stationed at Lakehurst, New Jersey. The National Guard provides protection of life, property, and preserves peace, order, and public safety. These missions are accomplished through emergency relief support during natural disasters such as floods, earthquakes, and forest fires, search and rescue operations, support the civil defense authorities, and counter-drug operations. The Ropers are Joint Terminal Attack Controllers from the New Jersey Air National Guard 227th Air Support Operations Squadron out of Atlantic City, New Jersey. Again, this is a fast rope insertion and extraction system. This is the way we get troops into an area just as quickly as possible to secure a perimeter if necessary to begin a base of operations. Forces on the ground and secure. Blackhawks pull away. And our insertion team is in position. Again, you can see just how quickly troops can be deployed into an area. Again, to set up a perimeter, begin to set up a field of operation. Again, members of the National Guard 227th Air Support Operations Squadron out of Atlantic City. Our helicopters again being crewed by Air National Guard, Army National Guard 1st and 150th Assault Helicopter Battalion, based right here at Lakehurst, New Jersey. Now, of course, sometimes operations go just as planned. Sometimes the insertion is just for a short period of time to collect and gather information. Now you'll see the smoke flares are being popped to alert the air crews to make their way in for an extraction. The UH-60s will now approach the drop zone and get ready to extract members of the 227th Air Support Operations Squadron. Blackhawks over the target. Now let's keep an eye on them as they'll drop ropes one more time. That's time to extract the ground crew. Again, members of the New Jersey Air National Guard 227th Air Support Operations Squadron. Members now reattaching themselves to the drop lines. Again, this is like a quick extraction. This is what we got to do. We got to get our guys out of the territory in a hurry, especially in a location where it's impossible for the Blackhawks to make a touchdown on the ground. Line to drop to the support personnel. They'll reattach. And as we like to say back in the Midwest, get ready to get the heck out of Dodge. Plus, it's probably the coolest ride you'll get all year. Always want to try this, but maybe just once. All right, crews are secured. Signals given. And it's time to get members of the 227th Air Support Operations Squadrons out of harm's way. Here we go. Woo-hoo! All right, now how many of you would love to do that right now? Maybe a few brave souls out there. I always thought I used to have the best seat in the house, but there it is right there. That's got to be the best seat in the house. Right there, slung underneath a UH-60 Blackhawk helicopter. That's got to be quite a ride. This is the way it's done, ladies and gentlemen, to get our members in and out of an area very quickly. Yeah, that's got to be better than any ride at Disneyland, I can tell you that. I'd do that in a heartbeat. That would be too much fun. We do want to remind everyone on the ramp area, remember there's absolutely no smoking on the ramp area whatsoever. Absolutely no smoking on the ramp area today. Thank you so much for helping us with that. Again, no smoking on the ramp area whatsoever. And thank you for taking a few extra moments to find the nearest trash can after you get something to eat or drink. All right, here they come back around from your left. Again, members of the New Jersey Army National Guard, 1st and 150th Assault Helicopter Battalion from Lakehurst, New Jersey, and our ropers, members of the New Jersey Air National Guard 227th Air Support Operations Squadron. Give them a big wave. They can see you out here. Woohoo! They might even wave back. Maybe. That'd be an awesome way to go home. You'd beat a lot of traffic and they'd drop you right in your front yard. How cool is that? Coming up, still coming at the Joint Base McGuire-Dix-Lakehurst Open House and Air Show, Trojan Thunder getting ready to take to the skies. Trojan Thunder, T-28 Flight Demonstration Team. T-28 is an aircraft built by North American Aviation back, believe it or not, in the late 1940s.